Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make hard drive data unrecoverable. It's a common misconception that simply deleting files or formatting a drive makes your information disappear forever. Unfortunately, that's not the case, as specialized tools can often recover data. We'll explore effective methods to ensure your sensitive information is truly gone, protecting your privacy and security. We'll cover both software-based and physical destruction techniques. Software data erasure works by overwriting every sector of your hard drive with new data, making the original information inaccessible. While older standards, like the Department of Defense's 5220.22m, recommended 3 or even 7 passes, modern research and guidelines, such as NIST 888, indicate that a single pass of random data is often sufficient for hard disk drives. Always verify the erasure process for complete peace of mind. For the ultimate assurance, physical destruction is key. Degaussing involves exposing magnetic hard drives to an extremely powerful magnetic field, typically over 5,000 oerstids, which instantly scrambles all data and renders the drive completely unusable. Another highly effective method is shredding, where industrial machines cut the drive into tiny fragments, making data recovery impossible. Simple methods, like drilling several holes through the drive's platters, can also effectively destroy the storage medium. To ensure your data is absolutely unrecoverable, especially for highly sensitive information, a combination of software wiping and physical destruction is the gold standard. After a thorough software wipe, physically destroying the drive provides an extra layer of security. Always verify the destruction process, perhaps through a certificate of destruction from a professional service. Your choice of method should align with the sensitivity of your data and any regulatory compliance needs you may have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.